Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Incorporate weight loss plan and health into your day. Enhance a fitness plan. Monitor strengthen a health plan. Take competencies of a fitness analysis with a coach at your health club. Most health clubs present these sessions free of charge, and they may be able to be a first-class technique to kick off a new undertaking plan, whether you aspire to working out regularly, lose 10 pounds, or educate for a half marathon. No longer certain what your aim is? A trainer can support you establish and set a realistic intention to work towards, says Condren. Having a cause will encourage you to stick to a health routine. If it's on your funds, understanding with a trainer generally is a boon to your overall fitness. An excellent coach teaches you about your body and tips on how to use it, says Francesca Macariello, CPT and founder of Pure NYC, a New York City-founded private training and nutrition lifestyle teaching company. Your coach should reveal appropriate type and, Macariello provides, encourage you to do your exceptional on any given day, inside and outside of the gymnasium. Find a favorite undertaking track. Find a favorite undertaking. Nothing is more motivating than an endeavor you love. To find an exercise you'll enjoy, consider about what sports you performed as a child, says Condren. In the event you preferred crew physical activities, you'll be more of a class character, so are attempting spin or yoga or signal up for an adult sporting activities league. More into individual exercises like tennis or monitor. Join a tennis membership or register for a race. If you want to try anything new but don't need to make a fiscal commitment, then appoint a few undertaking DVDs as a way to test with extraordinary types of recreation or a recent routine. Fluctuate your activities. Monitor vary your pursuits. One of the crucial quality ways to stay serious about fitness is to participate in a mix of movements. Not only does this preserve matters fresh, nevertheless it's also higher for you, too. Our bodies become bored very swiftly with the equal activity day by day, says Condren. After a whilst, you'll hit a plateau and outcome will even reverse themselves in the event you don't change it up. Macariello recommends cardio in the future, force coaching the subsequent, yoga or Pilates on the 0.33, rest the fourth, then do it in all places again. Recreation breaks tissue down, so leisure days are very fundamental. The off time is when your body definitely rebuilds and repairs, she says. Should you combine strength training and cardio on the same day, Macariello suggests doing cardio last, so you're no longer too tired while you lifting weights and chance losing your form. Activity with a buddy. Monitor undertaking with a pal. Find a companion who's at your health level and set dates to exercise collectively. A contemporary Australian B trained confirmed that team exercise furnished social and moral support and kept members encouraged. Exercising with a pal may also offer you a regressive facet and encourage you to push yourself harder, proposed Condren. Additionally, you're more likely to believe liable and follow your endeavor activities. For extra understanding, learn the advantages of crew recreation. Enjoy convenient snacks. Track revel in handy snacks. A healthful snack has many benefits. It prevents you from getting too hungry and due to this fact overeating at your next meal, and it helps fuel your physique to your workout. While you're snacking earlier than an exercise, eat at least 30 minutes previously and decide upon meals which can be quite simply digestible, says Condren. When you devour, blood is diverted out of your muscle groups to digest the food, he says. In the event you consume anything overly processed or too fatty or heavy, you're asking your muscular tissues to work with a decreased amount of blood. He suggests making a choice on foods akin to yogurt, fruit, nuts, cottage cheese, or sliced turkey. Aspect in fluids. Track aspect in fluids. Water is key when exercising, and also you should drink plenty earlier than, throughout, and after exercising. If it's very hot out or you're exercising at a high intensity, drink watered down Gatorade or coconut water, not to be stressed with coconut milk, to interchange electrolytes, says Macariello. Hinder caffeine earlier than and after pastime, as it removes water from your method and can dehydrate you. Be specially cautious of so-called vigor drinks, says Condren. These probably have tons of caffeine and sugar, which provide a colossal rush, but afterward you crash. Pass the soda track. Pass the soda. Soda is loaded with sugar and empty calories. However, soda just isn't best a diet buster. It will result in obesity and broaden the chance of kidney sickness in women, and it been proven to reduce bone density and erode enamel. Don't consider you're trustworthy with eating regimen sodas either. The acids in food plan soda also damage teeth, and drinking diet soda will also lead to weight obtain. More healthy alternatives to soda comprise tea, seltzer, and juice blended with seltzer. Macariello also recommends kombucha tea, which is of course effervescent. Cook more than that you could devour. Monitor cook dinner more than that you would be able to consume. Store money and time and devour more. Fit 2 via cooking further tonight to refrigerate or freeze for tomorrow's lunch or dinner. If you recognize you've a nutritious meal waiting within the fridge or freezer, it will be that so much easier to avoid the excessive calorie, excessive fat junk food from the power by way of to your manor dwelling. Chicken, veggies, soups, and grains, together with quinoa and brown rice, all hold well for just a few days. Keep washed apples, carrot sticks, and grape tomatoes on your fridge so that you can seize and go when the need for a snack strikes. Get active after eating. Monitor get active after consuming. A mild workout after a meal can get your blood flowing and ease digestion. Take into account a walk across the block or an easy bike ride. Don't do something too intense instantly after consuming, as it will interrupt digestion and offer you cramps. A heavy exercise near bedtime might also make it tougher to fall asleep. Thus, Macariello suggests pre-bedtime yoga or effortless stretches to ensure your physique is aligned correctly at the end of the day.